So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add employees in Xero. So firstly, log into your Xero and click on the payroll menu at the top of your dashboard. Select employees from the drop-down list. On the next screen, click the new employee button or add employee. Fill out the employee's basic information like first name, last, date of birth, and gender. You can skip the optional job title, then type in their home address and their phone number. Now make sure to enter their correct personal email address on this screen. Xero uses this specific email to invite them to Xero Me Portal, the mobile app where they can submit timesheets, request annual leave, and view their payslips automatically. Once the personal details are complete, click Save. Now, click the Employment tab on the left-hand menu. Here you must define their core working structure. Select whether they are a standard employee or a contractor. Enter their official start date and assign them to one of the payroll calendars you set up previously. While the basic setup is done, you cannot pay them yet. You must click into the Taxes tab to enter their tax file number declaration and the Superannuation tab to connect their chosen regulated or self-managed super fund. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.